can use rice to make your cake. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Eko-Jane here, and in today's video we are going to be making a super easy and tasty rice cake recipe in an air fryer. Whether you like them crunchy, soft or sweet, this recipe is versatile and perfect for every occasion. So let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of white long rice, 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, you can adjust to your taste, 25 ml of regular canned milk, 180 ml of melted butter or vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 100 grams of grated coconuts, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and flavor, which can be optional. So let's start preparing our cake. So to start, we are going to be soaking our rice in the 250 ml of milk and leave it for about 2 hours to hydrate. Then we'll transfer that rice and milk into a blender. Then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients into the blender and blend at high speed until a smooth consistency is achieved. Now you can add your baking powder and flavor if you want, it's optional though. Then use your pause button on the blender to mix your baking powder together.
Thinking now, should I take it or leave it out?
Now we'll grease our ring cake pan with butter before we now transfer the batter. We'll spread it evenly with a spatula. Then you preheat your air fryer or oven to 180 degrees or 200 or 320 Fahrenheit. Place the cake inside and bake for about 40 minutes. After baking, you can increase the temperature a little to get a nice golden crust at the top, and you leave this for about 5 minutes. Then you let your rice cake to cool for a few minutes. Cut your cake into sliced pieces. You can top it with honey, cheese cream or whatever you want, or you can enjoy it plain with your tea or coffee. It's still delicious. And there you have it, your delicious air fried baked rice cake. Give this recipe a try and let me know how yours turns out in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun recipes. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. It's your girl Eko-Jane signing out. Bye bye.